All right, here's another little project I did out at the cabin. I've got a pitcher pump set up on a little stream, a little waterfall. Sort of looks like a flowing well. The only thing that gives it away is that solar panel right behind it. I've actually got a bilge pump down in the water about 3 to 4 feet. There's a garden hose run under the concrete slab up into the pump. And the wiring just goes directly over to the solar panel. This is just another 100 watt solar panel I picked up at Harbor Freight for around $100. Made a little mount for it off a pole, some scrap deck boards I had laying around. All I have here is some underground lighting wire that I've buried. It only runs about 15 feet over to the pump. Inside this box, I actually have a voltage reducer that'll reduce from 24 volts down to 12 volts. So the power goes into the back of the box, goes into the voltage reducer, and out the bottom right to the pump. That way I'm still running off 12 volts and I'm not burning my bilge pump out. I did put a toggle switch on the backside, so if I need to work on the pump over here, I can turn the water off. Otherwise, it just comes on in the morning, shuts off later in the afternoon once the sun goes down. It just helps give a little noise, some relaxation, and helps keep that water moving over here in this corner of the pond. So I thought I'd better open this box up here and show you what I'm talking about, make it a little easier in case you're not familiar with 12 volt electronics here. That's the back of the switch, the toggle switch, turning it on and off. I did put a 15 amp inline fuse on the power going out to the pump. And that little box right there is a power reducer. It takes up to 24 volts, which the solar panel puts off about 22 normally. And it reduces down to a 12 volt. It won't let more than 10 amps also go through, which is not a problem because this solar panel only puts off a maximum of 5 in the best sunlight. The pump only needs about 2.5 amps, so I'm well within my limits there. But that little voltage reducer, I got that off Amazon too. It was fairly cheap. Power goes in, negative goes in, power and negative come out and go directly out. Pretty simple wiring. But hopefully that helps you see what I was talking about there in case you want to add one of these.